Part A, you will be assessed on the quality of your written communication in this part of the question. So, Valley Water Company measures the water used by a household in cubic meters. There is a quarterly standing charge of £7.45. The first 25 cubic meters of water used are charged at a rate of 93 pence per cubic meter. All further water is used is charged at the rate of 132 pence per cubic meter. Calculate the quarterly water bill for a household using 46 cubic meters of water. So let's have a look at this then. The cost of the first 25 cubic meters then, wasn't it? So the cost of first 25 cubic meters of water is equal to, well, it would be 25 litres. Each litre is at 93p, which is 0.93 pounds, and that equals, let's type it in the calculator then. So it would be 25 times 0.93, and that equals £23 and 25 pence. Okay, so that's the cost of the first 25 cubic meters then. Amount of further water used next, isn't it? We need to find out how much more water is used. Amount of further water used is equal to, well, what was used is 46 cubic meters. The first 25 was charged at 93p, so 46 take 25 is how much more is used, isn't it? Which equals 21 cubic meters. Okay, so now we can work out the cost of these then. The cost of further water used then. Cost of further water used is equal to, well, it was 21 cubic meters, and the charge for the additional water is £1.32, isn't it? So multiplied by £1.32. Let's tap that in the calculator then. 21 times £1.32, and that's £27.72p. Okay, so we've got that then. So the total cost of water used then is equal to the 23.25 plus the £27.72p. So we've got the 27.72 in there, add 23.25 to it, and we end up with £50.97. So total bill then, we said the standing charge now, £7.45. So grand total equals £50, £50.97 plus the standing charge, which was £7.45. So £7.45, and that equals then Let's tap it in the calculator. We've got the 50.97 plus £7.45. £58.42. Okay, a different water company, Trevi Water, has a different scale of charges. So let's move on to part B then. Trevi Water, quarterly standing charge is £4, first 10 cubic metres per quarter at £1.50 per cubic metre, all further water charged at £2 per cubic metre. Write down in its simplest form an expression for the quarterly bill in pounds for a Trevi Water customer who uses X cubic metres of water, where X is bigger than 10. So here then, the cost of the first 10 cubic metres is £1.50. Well, that would be 10 at £1.50. Which is £15. Okay, so the amount of water further used then, extra water used above the 10 is equal to, would be X with X cubic meters, take away the 10 is the additional water used. So cost of additional water then. Well, it's X minus 10 times £2, so it's £2 times X minus 10. There's a standing charge, so total bill then, the grand total is equal to 15 plus 2x minus 10. That's the cost of the water, plus the standing charge, £4, which is equal to 15, plus 4 is 19. 2x, when we expand this bracket, minus 20. And that's equal to 2x minus 19 minus 20 is minus 1, and that's in pounds. 2x minus £1.